Okay, so last song na, partner. Ano nga ulit title ng last song natin?
Boomstick.
Boomstick.
Di ba pag
Okay.
sinabi boomstick, bam bam yun.
Yeah. Shotgun.
Shotgun and
or-
boomstick, di ba?
Yeah. Okay. To give us their version of the song called Boomstick. All right. Last song for this edition of Tunog Lokal, February 2 edition, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Okay, for the last time, let's give it up for 21st Fever.
Listen to me now. I think I'm going down deeper in the heart of my resistant soul. And I reveal myself inside this turtle shell to realize you caught me as a different kind of foe. I can feel your lips run dry, yeah, as you bring me to the light to witness this feeling. It makes me feel alright. Can you see it in my eyes? The words I can't explain how much I feel inside. You promised something I can't find to let this burning fire. You broke the wall of my resistance. You made me follow you in an instant. You're like a signal light on a high voltage, and I'm incensed. So gravity is taking its control. But it makes me feel alright. Can you see it in my eyes? The words I can't explain how much I feel inside. Promise something I can find to let this burning fire. Let this burning fire. You're like a gun against my head. Pull the trigger and I'm dead. Will I get the guts to fight this feeling? Can you see it in my eyes? Words you can't explain how
Imbis na i-boom mo, ihampas mo na lang sa mukha niya yung boomstick, pare. Wagas yun. Ang saya-saya.
Pare, medyo violente ka ngayon.
Hindi ko maintindihan bakit. Oo nga, gusto ko manabunot.
Kanina pa, bato, hagis, hampas.
Manabunot din, Dre. Gusto ko rin eh.
Wag.
Kurot.
Yun, the best yun. Kurot.
Charot.
Kasi napakurot. As in talagang wala lang.
Banatan mo kami.
Maraming salamat
Thank you,
again.
salamat.